Welcome to Inglês Nativo, a channel where you can learn English for free. This is teacher Paco. Come with me that I'm gonna teach you today inversion. Let's invert. So, inversion happens when we want to give emphasis or dramatic purpose of a sentence. So in this case, we have present perfect. I have never visited such a beautiful place. We invert to give emphasis. So we say, never have I visited such a beautiful place. Got it? You're giving emphasis about the experience, the place. Another example. When we have simple present or simple past, we know in affirmative we don't use the auxiliaries do or does in simple present or did in simple past. So what is she always arrives late? We know in affirmative we use the s after the verb. But when we invert, we put the adverb before the sentence, we use the auxiliary verb, and as we have the auxiliary verb, we don't add s to the verb. So, she always arrives late becomes always does she arrive late. You realize how I give emphasis that always does she arrive late? Very good. The same way in simple past. She never came on time. Have simple past. She never came on time. We invert, so first we use the adverb. Never did she come on time. In past, when we don't have the auxiliary verb did or didn't, we change the verb to past. But when we change the sentence to inversion, we say, never did she. As I have did, I put the verb in infinitive. Never did she come on time. Got it? And the last one. Normally, sometimes we can change clauses. So in this case, we have two clauses. I didn't know what to do, comma, until I discovered what had happened. So I have past perfect, yeah, I have the auxiliary verb had, and the verb in past participle. That, by the way, it's happened. Okay? So I have simple past and past perfect. We know past perfect happened at first. So I invert the whole clause. So it transformed to, not until I discovered what had happened, again, happened, I knew what to do. If you like this video, please hit the like, share with your friends. This is Paco Hernandez, and here at Inglês Nativo, você fala.